Welcome to CA Learning. SVCW Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women, Bhimavaram. Problem solving in C, course activity 2. Hi, my name is Shadara Srivasavi, studying CSCB first year. Problem statement: permutations of a string. Here is the permutation of the string A, B, C. Permutations of the string in the sense repeating the string in different ways, like A, B, C. If we give, it gives like A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, A, C, B, B, A, C, C, B, A. Now we'll see a example program here. First, write the preprocessor directives. Hash include stdio.h and hash include string.h. Then we require a function to do this thing. A function named swap is required for doing this. So we'll type a function to swap the values of the string. This code is required to swap the string characters. Now we'll start the function with void swap and declare a character pointer x comma character pointer y. Then under this function we'll write the code for swapping the character. For swapping we need one more variable, character temp, and we'll declare that. Now we'll write the swapping code. Temp is equal to pointer x and then pointer x is equal to pointer y, and now pointer y is equal to temp. By this the values pointer x and pointer y are swapped in the swap function. Now for permutations of the string we need to write another function, permute. For this function to print the permutations of the string, we require three variables, like string that is to be entered by the user, and starting index of the string, lastly ending index of the string. These three parameters are required for permuting the string. Here we need to understand a point that the size of the permutations of string is equal to n factorial. Like if you have n characters in the string, we'll get n factorial permutations. So first we'll type the string which is typed by the user, entered by the user. And then next we have to write the starting index of the string to check the starting character. Lastly, we'll check for ending character of the string. And now we'll open the function permute. In that we'll write the required code for permutation of the string. Void, and the syntax is void permute, declaring the character A, pointer A, which is used for writing the string by the user. Then int L, which indicates the starting index of the string. Lastly int R, which indicates the ending index of the string. Under this, for repeating a loop, we need another variable integer I. So the condition is if starting index of the string is equal to ending index of the string, then we'll directly print the value. It means that the starting index and ending index are equal in the sense the same value, the fixed position of the character in the string. So here we can print the values. Then next, the else condition. In this else condition, we need to swap the values, and again we have to come to permute function. These are all the things we need to do. So for checking of the thing, we need to come to else condition and use a for loop here, where I will start from starting index of the string, that is 0, and I will have values up to r, and lastly I will increment of I plus plus. And under for function, we'll call the function swap to swap the variables, to swap the characters if starting index and ending index are not equal. Obviously they will, after swapping they will be equal and they will get printed. And after calling this function swap a plus l comma a plus I, now we have to call permute function for again permutation of the string. In this permutation, we need to enter the string, the starting index which is I plus 1 and the ending index which is r. And here we need to use a technique backtrack, which is used for retracking purpose. Once after swapping the string, again we need to swap it to get the first position. Like if we swap A, B, C, the characters B and A get swapped, then it comes to B, A, C. To get back again to the normal position, we have to backtrack it, that is retrack it. So again A, B, C will be printed. For that we need to call the function swap again here for retracking purpose. So we are calling the swap function a plus l comma a plus r. Next, again after retracking the process, we'll close this else condition and comes to main function. Here we have to declare the main function for giving the permutation of the string and then calling the function permute to continue the process of permutations of the string, so that all the permutations of the string will be printed in the output. Here if we give character of string is equal to some like a capital A, B, C, let us take it as a string, so that it will be printed, it gets printed all the permutations as we have seen in earlier picture. Now again we need a variable of integer type to store the length of the string, so that we can pass easily to upper functions. So now we have to call the function permute for permutation of the string, and then again in permutation of the string the swapping will happen, it goes up to the swap function and variables are swapped and printed directly. Here we have to return as it is int, we have to return 0, we have to type return 0 so that the value will be returned. Hence this is the function. Let us check if any errors are there or not. So we have typed the function so let's go for the output. Let's run the output. Here is the output. We can see the permutations of the string ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CBA, CAB. Thank you.